Welcome to the 5-minute Squid Game Squishy Challenge. I've got one goal: make a Squid Game Guard squishy before this timer runs out. If I fail, well, let's just say I'll be eliminated. Do you think I'll finish in time? Type yes or no in the comments. Quick guess: circle, triangle, or square? Which face do you think I'm drawing? I did it, and I still have time left on the clock. Squid Game Challenge, completed with time to spare. Am I officially a guard now? What should I try next? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before your time runs out.